shaking bed by all of the things I never had. Wanna be on a cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for another billionaire. Yeah, I'll have a show like Oprah. I will be the host of Everyday Christmas. Good check your wish list. I'll probably pull an angel named Brad Pitt and talk a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. You wave your Mercedes like you let it cactus. And last but not least, when somebody gets last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus minus the ho ho, huh? Get it? I probably